We are in fall season now. So I'm trying to take advantage of harvesting the remaining vegetables in my garden. This is a huge tomato. It is from a seedling that I found in my garden that I transplanted in this pot. This is also okra. I am late in harvesting this okra. This is sweet potato leaves that is good for sinigang. So I already harvested some of these leaves last month. So I'm trying to harvest whatever is left in these containers because I know that when the weather gets colder, these plants or leaves will eventually die. So this is one of the benefit of having a small vegetable garden. I don't have to run to the Asian store to buy some kamote leaves or tomatoes. I can just go here in my driveway, which I created as my container garden. Not only I save the money to buy them, but also I save time running to the Asian store. This is an eggplant. I planted 2 eggplants in this raised garden bed. And this is malunggay. I'm not successful in planting malunggay here in New York. So I'm going to overwinter this inside my house. So I prune this and hopefully the other branch will survive. I'm going to put this in the bay window inside my house. So today is Sunday and I decided to cook fish sinigang. Pompano fish is one of my favorite fish. It is meaty and the bones are not small. I'm scared of the bones from the fish, especially bangus. I love bangus, but you know, bangus or milkfish has a lot of bones. So that's the reason why I like pompano. Here, I'm starting the process of making this pompano sinigang. Very easy. I boil water. I use only 2 cups of water. I put onions, I put garlic, tomato, and salt, and chicken bouillon. I like my sinigang to not too much water. And of course, I added the eggplant, the okra, and also I added frozen okra because I like to eat okra. I cover it. I added the fried fish. Since this is already a fried fish, I don't need to cook this too long. So I added the sweet potato tops and also the malunggay. And I sprinkle it with dahon sibuyas, which is from my garden also. And of course, I tasted it and it tastes delicious. Now, I'm putting this in the plate and I'm going to try eating this. I don't like my fish to be swimming in a soup. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.